Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, guys, we'll show you how to lock your debit card using the Chase mobile app. Okay, locking your card is a great way to actually prevent unauthorized transactions if you think you've actually misplaced it, right? So let's get started, okay? First things first, guys, what you want to do is open up the Chase mobile app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with your Chase account credentials, okay? And once you're in the app, you just want to go to the account section, okay, which is where you can view various accounts, including your checking and debit card details. So in the account section, what you want to do is select the specific account which is associated with your debit card that you want to actually lock. Tap on it to will open the account details. And now what you want to do is, guys, you want to scroll down and you want to look for the lock and unlock option, okay? This is the feature that lets you instantly secure your card by temporarily locking it, just like this. You basically have to so to lock your card, you just want to simply slide the toggle next to the lock or tap button, and this action will automatically lock your card, guys, preventing it from being used for any transactions, okay? And you'll receive actually a confirmation message from Chase that your card has been locked successfully. And when you're ready, guys, to unlock it, just return to the same lock and unlock option and slide the toggle to unlock it, guys. And that's it, guys. You have now locked your Chase debit card to keep your account secure, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there, guys.